In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a beautiful curved text effect using GIMP, perfect for giving your designs a stylish look. Just follow these simple steps and you'll be on your way to mastering this technique. First, you'll want to open your GIMP. If you don't have GIMP installed, you can easily download it from their official website. It's an open source graphic editing program that's a fantastic alternative to Photoshop, offering a wide range of tools and features for digital artists and graphic designers. Once you have GIMP open and ready, it's time to start creating your curved text effect. Navigate to the Paths tool, which you'll find in the toolbox on the left side of your screen by default. The Paths tool is essential because it allows you to draw complex shapes and curves, which is exactly what we need for this task. Click on it, and now you can begin drawing a path on your canvas. Start by clicking on your canvas to create points that will form your desired curve. You can adjust the curve by clicking and dragging these points until you're satisfied with the shape. Keep in mind that the smoother and more flowing the curve, the more natural your text will appear. If you make a mistake or want to modify the path, don't worry. You can always go back and adjust the control points until you get it just right. Once you're happy with your curve, the next step involves your text. Head over to the bottom right of your user interface where you'll find your layers and text options. Select the text tool and either create a new text layer or choose an existing one if you've already added your text to the project. Now here's the crucial part. Make sure you have the text layer selected, right-click it, and you'll see an option called Text Along Path. Click on this option to automatically align your text along the curve you've just created. If the Text Along Path option isn't showing up in your menu, it's possible that you're using an outdated version of GIMP. In that case, I'd recommend updating GIMP to the latest version to ensure you have access to all features and improvements, including this handy tool. And there you have it. Once you apply this option, your text will beautifully curve along the path, giving your design a dynamic and professional look. It's really that simple, and with a bit of practice, you can create a wide variety of effects to enhance your projects. With this technique under your belt, you're well on your way to expanding your graphic design skills. Thanks for watching, and be sure to try this effect out in your next project.